Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I really do appreciate that. And to all of my returning subscribers, you know what to do. You don't even have to knock, just come on in. And if this is your first time, welcome. You can become a part of the Precious family. All you have to do is when you finish watching this video, hit the subscribe button, leave me comments, and click on the notification bell so you'll know the next time when I upload another video, and give me a thumbs up. And I just gave you the formula for coming into the Precious family. Okay guys, I am participating in a collaboration, and it is hosted by Gigi Creation, and her co-host is Wake Up and Craft. Now Gigi Creation, she does DIY and home decor, and Wake Up and Craft, she does like a lot of DIYs and how to. So guys, go over and check out these two beautiful ladies, and you will not be disappointed. And make sure that you tell them that Mary Precious Jones Huntsville sent you. Okay guys, so our collaboration consists of Show Me What You Got. So we are doing another Show Me What You Got, and our theme is Search for Less Challenge. In this collaboration, I have been challenged to find something and recreate it at a less value. So for instance, if I find something that costs $50, I am to recreate that for under $50. Okay guys, so I chose a charger, purple charger plates, and I am going to recreate those and show you how much they cost. And I am going to make them at a fraction of the cost. And these are some purple charger. It's like a metallic purple charger, but I am going to recreate this. For these chargers, you get a set of 6 for $22.99, and this is from eBay. So here are the items that I will be using. I will be using a Rust-Oleum gloss, grape paint, and also I will be using some gold metallic charger that I already had on hand. I already had this paint on hand, so I didn't have to go out and buy anything. It's not costing me anything to make this. Okay guys, if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. Make sure that you take this plate to a well-ventilated area. I prefer that you take it outside, and you are going to go from side to side with quick sprays. And that way you want to keep your hand flowing. Don't stop while you are in the process of painting this plate, and that way you won't have any fish hook or any blotchy powder paint on your plate. And I'm going to just use the can to move the plate around. That way I won't touch it and mess the paint up. Now I am finished putting the first coat on the first plate, and I will go ahead on and proceed with the other 3 plates. I am going to proceed with putting the second coat on all 4 plates, and I will come back and show you the finished results. Now guys, here is the reveal. Here are my beautiful grape chargers. There they are. Aren't they just gorgeous? The paint on them came out so smoothly. Everything is just looking nice. Yes, I think they came out so beautifully. And guys, I will be using these in another DIY. I'll probably go ahead on and put some mirror glass on, not mirror glass, but crushed mirror glass on them. Or I might come in and put some bling wrap, but not bling wrap, but I'll come around the edges and probably do something with this later on in another DIY, because I am using these plates in another open collaboration. Want to bring that out so you can see the real beauty of this charger. And guys, no, I will not be eating from these chargers. This is only for decoration, okay? So I want to make that disclaimer. It's only for decoration. Do not try this and try to eat from these chargers. And also these chargers tells you on the back of them that not recommended for food usage. So whether you paint them or not, they're telling you don't put food in them, okay? They're only for decoration. Alright guys, I thank you so much for hanging out with me. Really do appreciate it. And guys, don't forget my open collaboration where we all will be the host. Myself, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious, and J Mom's Creation, and my other host will be Deborah at Deborah Cabasa Home Living. We are welcoming her to join us this time. So guys, prepare yourself. I will have all of the information in my end screen. Go ahead on and click on that video. It will give you all of the details on what you need to do to prepare yourself to participate with us in this open collaboration on April the 16th. And I believe that's at 11 a.m. Central Time, okay? Alright guys, I appreciate you for watching. If you have not subscribed at this time, this is a good time to do so. Go ahead on, click on the subscribe button. So guys, go ahead and click on the notification bell. You'll know the next time when I upload another video. And leave me comments, because comments help my channel grow. And give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.